BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 52 of season 3. Today's word is enchant. The meaning of enchant is to fill someone with great delight or charm, fascinate or mesmerize, or pleasantly surprise someone. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word enchant. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Enchant is spelled as E-N-C-H-A-N-T. Mountain climbing is a hobby for many, but by no means it is a simple task. It needs courage, lots of hard work, and never give up attitude. But when one reaches the mountain peak, the enchanting view of the surroundings is really worth the efforts. Listen carefully how we can use the word enchant in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The children were enchanted to see the magical show arranged by their school. The magician, Premnath, had worked really hard for this show and displayed several unforeseen tricks. Example number 2 of 8. Mr. Sheshadri was always interested in studying the biodiversity of the forests, meaning the complete set of animals and plants. He saved money, got permissions, and visited the Amazon forests. As expected, what he saw was completely enchanting. Have you ever thought of visiting the Amazon forests? You can give it a thought now. Example number 3 of 8. Have you ever camped at an open field in the night? It offers an enchanting view of the sky. The twinkling stars and bright moonlight are something worth experiencing. Moving on to example number 4 of 8. It is observed that the melodious songs from the golden era of Bollywood enchant even the present-day listeners. There are several radio shows that are exclusively dedicated for playing these songs. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our advanced English fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Ronaldo, the management trainee, completed 1 year of probation. He was asked to present the summary of his learning to a group of seniors. He was feeling nervous, but he put on his enchanting smile and completed the task on hand. What do you think would have happened after that? Do you think the seniors would have got impressed? Okay, moving on to example number 6 of 8. Haven't we all heard the slogan, Enchanting India? India has a diverse presence of rivers, mountains, deserts, and forests. It is known to be the land of spirituality and yoga. Example number 7 of 8. The Indian musician Ustad Zakir Hussain is a tabla maestro, means an expert in any field. He holds his performances all over the world. With his extraordinary command on tabla, he is known to enchant his listeners. Are you ready for the next enchanting example? Example number 8 of 8. The spectacular fireworks at the beginning of the cultural show results in the enchantment of the audience. It is also known to be a special attraction which draws people in large numbers. Today we learnt the word enchant, which means to fill someone with great delight or charm, fascinate or mesmerize, pleasantly surprise someone. Now quickly frame 3 enchanting sentences with enchant and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the scripts of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 52 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.